Howdy world! In today's video, I'm going to be creating a pop art makeup look. Let's get started. Oli, en el día de hoy vamos a hacer algo muy especial. Vamos a hacer un look de maquillaje pop arte. Vamos a empezar. To begin today's look, I'm going to be using the Super Shock Shadow by ColourPop, and this is this beautiful vibrant pink. Then I'm going to go in with a black gel liner, and I'm just going to create a super sharp and dramatic wing liner. Para empezar los ojos, voy a aplicar una sombra rosada de la marca ColourPop. Después de aplicar en color de sombra, ahora voy a aplicar deslineador en color negro y lo voy a hacer muy delgado y muy dramático. Even though we only use one eyeshadow, which is super vibrant and will definitely steal a show, I wanted the wing liner to be the statement piece. So I made sure to go over the wing liner over and over and make it super dark and bold. Los ojos para mí tenían que estar muy fuertes. Necesitaba que en deslineado, aunque era una sola sombra, en deslineador tenía que verse y sentirse. With that same black gel liner, I'm now going to carve out my eyebrows. So I'm going to start off by outlining it, and then I'm going to fill in with the use of an angled brush. This is going to help me to have a lot more precision. As you see here, I was able to create a sharp wing liner along with creating these sharp eyebrows and creating the fluffy hair in the front. Then I'm going to turn my brush around and I'm going to actually blend the hair upwards. That way it's a little more blended. Para diseñar unas cejas, vamos a usar un pincel en ángulo y vamos a diseñar una ceja similar a la que tengo. Después voy a rellenar las cejas, lo que quede de producto en el pincel. No le voy a echar más. Intentando hacerlas idénticas, pero no va a pasar. Porque las mismas mías no son idénticas, pero tratamos, ya sabes. Okay, now that we have our eyebrows as close as possible to what they can be, now that the eyebrows are done, we're going to work on the bottom lid. And we're going to start by applying that same gel liner. It's pretty much going to be this black gel liner and the pink eyeshadow for this whole eye look. I'm going to go in and I'm going to trace out the line that I want. I'm going to keep it nice and thin. And then I'm going to start blending with the opposite side of this brush. This brush, one side is angled and the other one has a couple little feathers of hairs. And I'm just going to blend that out and blend it out until I can't no more. And then once that is blended out and smooth and seamless, then I'll just go back in again and I'll apply some more of that gel liner to just keep it dark. Because what happens is after blending so much, you lose a lot of that depth. Ahora con el pincel vamos a aplicarle en color negro debajo de los ojos y voy a difuminarlo con el otro lado del pincel. Now with a mascara that has a fluffy brush, I'm going to make sure that I pass it through each and every hair. That way this mascara gives me lots of volume. Ahora le aplicamos máscara y me aseguro pasarle producto a cada pestaña para que así haya mucho volumen. Now I'm going to apply a liquid lipstick onto my lips, and I chose this beautiful reddish orange color, which will pair perfectly with the pop art nails that I'll be creating in the next tutorial. Ahora voy a aplicar un labial, un color precioso que va a ser un tono rojo con un poco de anaranjado. Este color va a ser muy similar a la parte 2 de este look que va a ser uñas pop arte. Now we're going to jump into the details that's going to create this pop art look. I'm going to use that same black gel liner along with the same brush, and we're just going to start creating these detailed lines, whether they're straight, curved, a couple flicks over here. All these small little details and line work is what's going to create this whole pop art look. As I looked online and I was looking for inspiration, I noticed that it was only these little things that we're drawing on our face, as you see here, is what's going to create the whole pop art look. As I start adding those little details, and really when I start adding the black, and then soon you'll see the white, that's when the vision really comes to life. You're like, oh, okay. The black and white effect really brings out the pop art. Love that. Love that. So once I line my lips with a black liner, then I'll go in with some white liquid liner. And what happens is once I start putting this underneath all those little areas where there's black, this is going to add highlight. And this is where the makeup then begins to pop. Ahora con el color negro y en color blanco vamos a hacer unas líneas debajo o al lado del color negro. Vamos a aplicarle en color blanco y eso va a darle ese toquecito de pop arte. As for my hairstyle, all I did was clip up my hair, add some gel and some water, and created some edges. To amplify this look, I decided to add some of that line work onto my neck and onto my chest. That way this brings the look to life. Y para traer este look a la vida, apliqué unas pocas líneas sobre mi cuello y mi pecho. And it's official. I created this pop art look, first time doing it. Yes, these are the pop art nails, which there is a part 2, so stay tuned. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was really fun making it. I can't believe how the little details actually bring this look to life. Y lo hice en look de pop arte. Míralo. Wow. Now stay tuned for part 2. Parte 2 viene ya. Chao, chao.